Hey everyone, it's Tracy from the Get Hacking Store here with a review of the free Osmo Projector app. Did you know that you can use the Osmo Base and Mirror to project or record something you're doing in the real world? Over here, I want to demo making origami, which is being reflected into the iPad's front camera by the red mirror above the iPad. Essentially, I've got a fully set up visualizer or document camera. What's even better is that I can use it with my video conferencing app. On the monitor on the left, someone's on a call with me. They're seeing my screen share of a hand-drawn life cycle on my whiteboard in real time. If you just want Projector to save your recordings, you'll want to activate the built-in screen recording feature of the iPad first. Go to your settings, and under Control Center, you'll see Custom Controls. You'll find that screen recording is a control that you can add here by pressing the green plus button. When you want to activate screen recording, open Control Center and tap on the round record button. It'll give you a 3-second countdown so you can exit out of Control Center, launch Projector, and prepare to record. Incidentally, you can tap and hold the record button to turn on the microphone if you want to record audio as well. When you're done with recording, repeat the steps to turn screen recording off. Now let's try using Projector with a video conferencing app. The main principles, regardless of which conferencing app you'll be using, remain the same. You have Projector running first, then start your meeting in Zoom, Google Meet, or AirPlay, for example. Find the option to share or present your screen. In Zoom, you'll share content on screen, whereas in Meet, you'll present screen. When you switch back to Projector, you can have face-to-face interactions by not attaching the mirror to the iPad. Tap the screen to use the perspective button to correct the image. When you are ready to show something below the iPad, pop the mirror back on and toggle the perspective button again. Projector also provides you with the option of easily taking a screenshot, as well as mirroring your screen. If you already have an Osmo Play system, the Projector app is a great way of extending its functionality. And if you are new to Osmo, check out our review of the Osmo Genius Kit in our online store and see how it can develop spatial thinking, problem-solving skills, as well as literacy and numeracy too. Check out the link in the description.